How to delete Khan Academy account. Ensure to log into your Khan Academy account and click on the username at top right corner of the screen. Once you click on this drop-down menu box, select Settings. Now you will land on the settings page of Khan Academy. Scroll down at the bottom of the screen and then you need to locate the option for delete your account, which is at the bottom of the screen. Simply click on delete your account button and to delete and confirm, click delete button. And once you have done with that, you will successfully delete your account. Make sure you already have entered all the credentials for your delete, then it won't ask for the password. Otherwise, you also have to enter the password in order to delete your Khan Academy account. So that's it. That's how we easily delete our Khan Academy account. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.